just doing workout here, and we are really enjoying here in the village, guys. We want to do another challenge. We want to do a triple jump here. So we are jumping from this point here all the way to this point here, triple jump, and wherever your power, maybe you can land somewhere here. So we want to start this journey, you know? Yeah, so who will start? Who will start? Ah, yeah. So 1, 2, 3. Ah, you jump here. Let me tell you how many meters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He jumped 8 meters. So who is the next? Me. Okay. Come.
Wait. Let those guys move there.
You have put a mark there. So come. Ah, yeah. 8 meters too. Yeah.
7.
Maybe 7. 8, 7.5. Who is the next? Okay.
You.
I'm the next here. Wow. Wow. Hey. This is me.
The beast. Oh, those looks, they are like 10. 9. Wow. 9 meters.
So I'm the one who is reading already. Yeah. I'm the one who is leading here.
Hey.
I'm tired like crazy, man. Wow. What is it, man? So check where. So, are you ready, guys? Are you ready?
Yeah.
You are fighting with a goat there.
No.
Okay. Let's do it. Hey! That place is slippery like crazy, man. It's slippery. Whoa. You're the one who is reading already.
You mean I'm the last?
Hey bro, you are the last here. Higher. You are the last one. You are the one to start.
First.
No. This guy is the one to start. He's the last one.
Yes, but I will be the first.
Hey bro.
Yes?
He's the one to start again. He's the last guy.
Yeah.
He needs to start. Okay, let's see. Let's see what he can do here. Okay, let's go. Hey, crazy. Yeah. Oh,
I'm the first one. Hey.
You are not yet the first guy.
As they say,
No, I'm the first.
the last will be there.
The first.
Whoa. So, this is you, bro. You see?
Now you are the last one.
Who is this?
Me.
This is you.
Yes,
Oh, this was the last guy.
yes.
So, who is this?
This one.
This me, this Charles, this you, this is this young man.
No, this is Charles.
No,
Yes.
this Chelsea.
You are number 2.
Yes.
Oh,
You are number 2. Hey, man, I am number 3.
Number
I'm
one.
using this. This guy is then
seems
The
now
number
number
one here. So, go. At this time, you are the last one already. You are the last guy.
Oscar.
Okay. Higher, let's go. Whoa,
What?
you're already number 1 again. Man, here. Right here. So, I'm the last guy here, man. Wow. I'm the last guy already.
Now you are the last.
Maybe I have to do something. Let me go.
hi. Let me start here.
1, 2, 3. Wow! Woo! Whoa, man. Hey! 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 Where am I? You. Wow! Wow! Look at me, man. Whoa! So I'm number one.
Charles.
I'm already number one again.
Charles is the last one.
So it's kind of, we are adding slowly by slowly, slowly by slowly. You know, it's called consistency. You do it again and again and again. You keep improving it. You keep improving every minute, as long as you try, you know. Take care you don't sleep. You can sleep there. It's very slippery. Hey man! What's your plan, man?
Aye.
What's your plan, bro?
Man.
Whoa! What's your plan, man?
Ah.
Holy shit!
Aye.
Look where he is. He's in the garden already. Whoa!
Will you quit, man?
Hey, I can
This
quit.
distance is huge.
Let me.
This distance is huge.
What?
Maybe a distance of 2 meters.
Really?
And he is tired like crazy. So who is the next guy? Hey, look at this distance from here to this point. Whoa. How are you guys? You're fine?
How are you guys? You fine? Okay.
Okay, let's go. Oh, you tried, man. You tried, man. But you are still far from the number one.
But I'm the number.
Yeah, number 2 at least. Oh, things are changing very fast. Things are changing very fast. Maybe we need to remove this mini. These are woods here.
Yeah.
I think we need to remove them. Yeah.
Hey, you have
I
Cuba.
think we need to remove this.
Cuba. It's a record. A record.
Hey, try to remove this at least a bit from it. Who is the next? You are the next.
No.
You have already jumped.
Yes, of course.
No, I'm here. Oh, this is me. You are the last guy already.
Yeah.
So you need to jump again.
Then the last one.
You're the last one.
Okay.
Okay, let's do this. Okay. A little bit faster. A little bit faster. We want to make sure we have number one.
Okay.
Let's go. You reached where I am here. You reached my place already. It's okay. Oh, yeah. So I'm the next guy.
Yeah.
Hold this one for me. Wow. Wow. So you are the last two. Okay. Not easy. I need to change the story already. So, wow. Let's go. Woo!
Now you are the second one.
I'm already number 2.
Yeah.
Wow, man. Hey, man, I can't do this again.
Hey, quit.
I'm losing. So, let's see who is number 1. My brother is number 1. I am number 2. And, man, now I'm so tired. This is the difference between us. We have number 1, my
Number
brother.
1 there. Number
I am
2.
number 2.
And
This
number
guy
3
here,
here.
number 3. And this guy here, number 4.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Yo.
Oh, he gave you a good message. Never give up, man. Yeah, we just finished working out here and we have really enjoyed. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and I will appreciate. And I'll be bringing you challenges, video challenges, you know, every day. And we sit here on a carpet like this. It's very hot here. Somehow maybe it's almost 25 degrees. Yeah, it's very hot, man. Wow, we are really enjoying this Christmas like crazy, like never before. So guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and I will appreciate so much. I really love you guys for continuing supporting me. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much and let me see you in the next video, man. I love you guys. Ciao, ciao.